Once again, Tandega spills wisdom, and the Italians they take that moment to actually mock Lilies about the campaigns Lilies has have been getting in the past month. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Guys, Tandega just posted on Twitter saying that you need to work in order to get freedom. I mean, everyone wants to do that, but comparing her to Liema is more like you're comparing a cow is to a frog. The analogy you have to understand what I'm saying. I'm saying in terms of the life experience. Tandega is 6 or 7 years more or years older than Lily. So which means that she had 7 years to acquire health. She has 7 years to do what she wanted to do in order to achieve the freedom that she's talking about. She was working as a bookkeeper in Italy, raking around from the internet 500,000 to 1 million a year in South African rents. For 8 years, she could have accumulated more than that, and right now she can enjoy the benefits of her hard work. That's how it is. What she's saying is very important to actually each and every black person. Don't work for security, because security will just make you not be able to take care of yourself and your children after retirement or if injury happen. Let me tell you something that I've realized in black communities, that when we work, we choose work that will give us a safe net, meaning that I'll work until 60 years and then they give me a lump sum of pension fund, compensation fund, and whatnot. I use that to build a house. But then what about education? What about when to start business? There are some things that we don't understand, or we just want to be the traditional people who are living traditional lives. But currently, if you want to succeed in life, you have to make sure that you get that freedom. Working to get freedom, financial freedom is very important. Economic freedom is very important. One of the parties in South Africa, they're stressing that there's no freedom without economic freedom. Economic freedom allows you to live, not to survive, because most of us who are working to survive but not to live. You can afford to only build a house, have a nice meal, but you cannot afford to even go to Durban. And Durban might be only 2 hours from you, like South Beach at Durban, or even go Cape Town in Knysna. You cannot go anywhere. But you are working, you wake up 6 o'clock, you sleep around 10 o'clock because you have to meet the deadlines. It's very important that we take this as, let's milk Tandega for what she has and stop trolling. Liema is in a race to actually build her own wealth, and she's doing very well. Tadians Liema is doing that very well for herself. Let's just support these two queens and see where they go with their life, because you cannot tell me that a 24-year-old would have achieved what a 31-year-old with much more experience in life at this point. Liema is still building herself. Tandega, yes, she says she was working in Italy. Italy, when you using pounds or euros, when it comes to South African money, that's a lot of money. Even if she was earning 500 per month or per week, she was making a lot of money that she could be able to save. Remember that when you are in a foreign country, the pressures of that country, they don't affect you that much. Hence, you see Zimbabweans, they come to South Africa, Nigerians, they come to South Africa. They are able to make wealth, cultivate much wealth, because the pressures of the society that are in South Africa, they are not affecting them that much. Whether they are wearing expensive clothes or fake clothing or whatever that they do, it doesn't affect them that much until they go back to their country. Tandega is starting to feel that pressure because she's back home and in a much a louder space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Do you think we can learn more from Tandega if we just say stand sheep aside?